What's up guys, and welcome back. Today I bought 3 more cars and they just got delivered. But before we continue with these 3 cars that I bought, update on the other 3 from the previous video. This Ford Escape is the only car I have left from those 3, and I have a new headlight coming in, a new bumper coming in, and the axle right there coming in. So once those parts come in, I'll be doing a rebuild video on that Ford Escape behind me. But as you guys just saw, that's one of the cars that I bought. And those are the other 2. So let's run through them. Here is the first one. It's a 2005 Ford Freestar Limited. All of these cars have dead batteries. All of them run. But this one has a check engine light. But it seems like power is good from it running for a little bit. So let's check the fluids. And this being a limited, it has heated mirrors and then the turn signals on the sides. Leather interior. I don't know if the seats are heated or not. Doesn't look like it from a quick glance. But it has the TV screen, power sliding doors, and this thing looks pretty darn clean. I think, you know, just minor tear and wear, so to speak, dirt and whatnot. I don't know if the battery's good enough. Oh, it's actually locked. Probably not. Boy, it's pretty tight in here. 4.2 liter. So these engines are actually pretty hot because I just drove them up here from down the street. So that's good. By the way, all of these cars are like donated vehicles, so they technically have clean titles, although they're sold on bills of sale. So we clearly have oil. Let's see, transmission. Yes, we have transmission fluid. Here's the next one, and I think this is the ugliest one out of the bunch, but I believe this is a 2008. And this one is also the filthiest, but I knew that, and it has an odor. So I think this one will actually go to a detailer. I don't know if I want to detail it, but this one and the Ford Freestyle have check engine lights on, which we will check a little bit later. But as you can see, all of these cars have been sitting for quite some time, starting to grow mold on them. Let me jump back to the Ford real quick. So there you go, there's the donation, Cars for Kids. It's a 2005 with 158,000 miles, and this one I believe is also the highest mileage one. Also Cars for Kids, 2008 with 161,000 miles. And this car, I mean, without a doubt, is just by far the dirtiest one out of all of them. But we have oil. Wow, did I make it? Nope. There we go. Look at that. Looks like bird droppings or something. Oh, I can't get that open. I need 2 hands. Let's actually check transmission first. Yes, we have fluid. Unfortunately, I can't get this thing to open, and I do not want to break my fingers, but we do have oil according to the dipstick, so that's okay for now. But man, this car is just going to need a detail inside and out, and this one runs a little rough, so we'll see what the codes are. My first assumption, it's a misfire, so probably plugs and coils, but we'll find out shortly. And the last one, the cutest car, is a Volkswagen Beetle. I've always kind of wanted one. Didn't think I'd actually buy one, but here it is. And this one has the lowest miles from the bunch, 116. And another donated vehicle, charitable adult rides and whatever that is. But this one has also been sitting, as you guys can clearly see. Color is actually pretty cool. Interior looks pretty nice. This clutch grabs almost at the very end, like literally 90%, which is really weird. But here's the check engine reader that Dennis is letting me borrow. And all of these cars need a jump. So I don't know which one will actually have a battery that's going to stick and hold a charge, but we will find out. And the heart of the little Beetle, 2.0, 4-cylinder. Where's the oil? Right in the middle. Awesome. Yeah, that looks gunky. Hoping it's from sitting. I could actually see a little bit of milkiness in there. There it is. But we'll see. Sometimes cars sit for a while, and then once you drive them, the milkiness goes away and there's no issues. Let's start with the most promising, least amount of work that I think car. This thing started on its own with no issues, but it's beeping at me for whatever reason. Maybe the hood is open. And this DVD player is making a sound. Let's see what's all up here. Wow, look at that. Sweet, little issues. Okay. And here are the codes. Dang, there's a lot of them. 6 codes. O2 sensor. O2 sensor. I don't know what that is. O2 sensor, so called it. Now for the fun part. Oh, look at that, they work. Both of them. This will be a quick sell. You guys think this will be power? It is not, but it bounces up pretty good. Right? No button? Nope, no button. Whoa! What a surprise! Studded tires. Nice. Dang. Deals. I don't know about you guys, but I think that's a deal. I'll tell you how much I paid for every single car at the end of the video. And 2 sets of keys, which is always awesome. Now push this button. Push that button. Nope, it probably sensed him. Here's the next one, and this one is really filthy. I kind of really don't want to get in it, but we're gonna hook this up. I'm gonna put a jump on it, get it started, and see what the codes are. Well, technically I don't need to start it to get the codes. So we'll let this thing connect, and then we'll pull the codes. Look at that, this one also has 6 codes. That one's pending, so technically just 3 codes. So evap system, small leak, a loose fuel cap, that one's easy. And then the first one you guys saw. Let me start the Chrysler so you guys could hear it run. So it's not misfire codes, it seems like air to fuel ratio is off with some kind of evap leak, which I don't know. I'll have to Google the codes, probably a cat or something like that. We'll see. I just really don't want to get in this car. Look at that, it sounds half decent right now. Yeah, it actually doesn't sound too bad right now. You know what I don't like about these engines? This whole design. It makes it so difficult to wash, at least for me. What do you guys think? Am I lucky enough for studded tires in here? Absolutely not. I didn't hear that these were studded. Nope, they're not, but they are ugly steelies. So what I'm thinking is maybe go to Walmart or something and get some caps for like $30 to put on it. Make it at least look somewhat presentable. But detailing the Chrysler will be the #1 priority because it is unbelievably filthy and dirty and just gross. Now let's jump the little Bug and see how well it runs. Man, that's a hard battery to clamp onto. Let's see. Yep, we got power now. So this is the 5-speed manual, which I think might be a little bit difficult to sell, but look at that, heated seats. Did not expect that. Sorry guys, we're losing daylight. Question is, which car am I going to take home? Minivan or this, or maybe just leave them here for now. It would be cool if I could do a live poll right now. Definitely not taking the Chrysler. It's between the Ford, the Volkswagen, or nothing. Right now I'm leaning for nothing. But I must admit, I thought I opened it. And no tires in this one, but it looks like a CD changer right there. I mean, nice little car. The color is actually pretty nice. I do like it. Before I end this video, I told you guys I would tell you how much I paid for each car. So let me open up the trunk here where I have the receipts for these cars. Alrighty, so first one is the 2001 Beetle. Winning bid for this car was $249. After fees, the total was $397. If I am not mistaken, that is the most expensive car out of the three. Next up is the 2005 Ford Freestyle. Winning bid for this car was $195. And total after fees was $323. That's it. And the last one, I think the worst one out of all of them, but I did expect it, is the 2008 Chrysler Sebring, which had the exact same winning price and fees as the Ford. $195 winning bid and $323 after fees. I paid $150 per each car to bring it here from Seattle. So I think I got them at a crazy good deal because they are technically all clean title cars. I think the Ford Freestyle will be the fastest selling one just because it's pretty clean. It has every available option and it looks pretty nice. It runs fairly well. I think a O2 sensor, and then we'll see what the fuel rail code is. I think Chrysler will be the last one I sell. Beetle and Ford Freestyle, one of those will go first, and the goal is to get rid of them as quick as I got rid of the other two. That's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for joining. Please leave your comments in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think of the cars I purchased. Give me your guesses on how much I am going to sell each car for. I'm curious what you guys think and what you think my profit margins will be. But that's it for today. I will see you guys in another video.